I'm just currently on my way with my dad. We're gonna go look at caravans because they want to get caravans, not for me, like for them. And I'm just editing while I am waiting for him to get in the car. My video is at 80%, so then after it's like exported, I'm going to upload it. This is what I look like when I work out. I'm super hot, I know. So I just finished up at the gym and actually only in there for like 25 minutes, maybe to half an hour. I never like to go for like more than that unless it's a class, just because I feel like if I'm in there, I smash it out, I get out. And also like a minute at the gym feels like an hour at the gym. So I always like to be like literally out of there as fast as I can. So I did a little bit on the bike and a little bit on the elliptical, and I did 146 calories. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and I've already had dinner, so I think I might go to like Woolworths or something and get like low carb ice creams. They're these ones from like Licks that are really good. They're always out of these, so I'm gonna get like and these taste like exactly like LCM bars, like these ones. I don't have the ice creams I like. I think it might only be a Coles thing. They have these, but they literally fell apart like the first time I ate them. And then look at this, this is me. Those are the macros. I probably have like 2 servings, so 100 grams, which is 120 calories. It's not bad.
There's a glass now.
Look, I got food. So I bought these. I think they're called the Fuel Protein Breakfast Milk Drink in chocolate. It's the same amount of sugar as a semi-skimmed milk. No, it's not breakfast time, but I really want to try one. It kind of tastes like Up and Go, but then sort of like creamy vanilla ice cream afterwards. It's actually pretty good. So good morning everyone. I am currently on my way to the shops. I have a Target gift voucher that I want to spend. I'm out of breath just putting on my leggings. That's how you know that I am unfit. I'm also going to the gym, which is why I'm wearing leggings, but to be honest, I wear leggings literally every day. Oh, that's my bin, that's kind of gross. Any angle I do, I just look like a big heifer. So I've already put a serum on. I usually put that on like as soon as I get out of the shower. So the thing I have been really liking lately is the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. I had mentioned this in my e.l.f. full face first impression video, which is the giveaway video. So I'm sure if you watched the whole giveaway video, you would have seen it. I'm gonna go in with the hydration moisturizer. Yeah, these aren't my favorite. My like favorite moisturizer, when it comes to moisturizers, I don't want something that's like heavy and sticky on my skin. I kind of want it to feel like there's nothing there. Is this one here. It's the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. It doesn't have like an insert, it's just like the normal one. And as I said, this isn't because of like how it performs. I haven't noticed anything like amazing with my skin. It's just that like when I sweat, it doesn't feel greasy. It like soaks in straight away. And this is the one that I reach for like every day. So based on like how much I use it, that's how I like determined if I like a product. I also want to buy the Friends palette from Priceline, and I rang like multiple Pricelines and they're like, yeah, we only have the small ones, we don't have the big ones. I don't want the small ones. I'm gonna go to a Priceline today and just see if they have it. If they don't, I'll order it online. I don't really want to order from Priceline online. If a store's accessible to me, I'd rather just go like in store and get it. This is my tattoo, by the way. We're on day 3 or 4, I don't know, but yeah, they're starting to like, look at my tan. They're starting to like itch now. Everyone's like, don't itch it. I really want to. So I'm at the gym, and when you work at the gym, you don't have to wear your mask when you're working out, which is awesome. There's like no one here. I am on the elliptical. I'll probably be here for like half an hour and then I'll go home. Okay, so I just finished up at the gym, which is why like I'm all sweaty and stuff. I got this from the gym because I didn't bring a water bottle, and it's actually pretty good. It's the Gatorade Active Electrolyte Water with no sugar. It has 7 calories in it. Sort of tastes like the pump ones, but like a little bit more like flavorful. Anyway, before I went to the gym, I did go shopping. So I had walked around for like an hour already, so I feel like I got like some steps in as well. But I want to show you what I got from the shops if you're like interested. I got these, look like this. They're just like grey bike shorts, and I got these to lounge around the house in and to wear like maybe to the gym with like a really long t-shirt, because my belly's like the biggest thing about me that I'm the most insecure about. It's like a see-through like blouse thing, and it's super cute. So I got these to wear with maybe like some shorts or a nice skirt. And the last thing I bought was from Glassons. It's this singlet here, and it's got like a really nice like square neckline. I got it to go like under that purple shirt. I also ordered some bike shorts from Glassons as well, like just some plain high-waisted black ones. They had like a really thick band. Usually bike shorts are like a really thin band. Like I have ones from Boohoo that are like really thin and like see-through. These ones were really stretchy, really thick fabric, and the band was like this big. So they didn't have my size because they never have really large sizes. I usually have to like order it to my house, but it's free shipping and everything like that. So I'm going to go to Grilled now because I went to Grilled like a couple of weeks ago with one of my mates, and he got like a low carb burger, and I didn't know they had them, so I really want to try it. Hi, can I please order the low carb bun?
Yeah. Which burger would you like?
Oh shit, sorry. Can I get the crispy bacon and cheese, please? So yeah, I'm gonna have the aircon on, hopefully you can't hear it. So I got a crispy bacon and cheese, which is what I usually get, on the low carb bun. But the burger came in a box, which I'm so happy about. I hate when it comes in like a bag, just because the grilled burgers can be a little bit like juicy. It did come in a bag. What was the point of putting it in a box then? So that's what it looks like. It still smells like really good. This is, I think it was like 300 calories for the burger, which is so good. It's actually like really good. What the hell? The bread's like a little bit wet, so it's not like as hard as like the normal bread would be. My mum keeps telling me I should just make my own stuff, like make my own low carb like bread and low carb snacks and all that kind of stuff, but to be honest, I'm lazy enough as it is. Like when it comes to cooking, I'm not going to make my own bread. So I didn't go to the gym today, so I'm just going for a walk. It looks really pretty. The sun's about to set in like an hour. So look at this pimple on my forehead as well. I'm just taking her for a walk, getting some extra steps in, you know, every little bit helps. Okay, that's not what I wanted. This way. So I have just arrived at the train station. I live about an hour away from the city, so I figured like I'd drive to a train station close to the city and then park. And I put on this sunscreen this morning, which is why my face looks like so shiny. I got it from like my laser place where I get my laser hair removal. I hate sunscreens and things that feel like really greasy, and I was like, oh, does it feel greasy? And she's like, no, it doesn't. It feels really good, just like a moisturizer. It feels so greasy. Got to make sales and stuff, but I would buy more from someone who was more honest. Yeah, I'm just gonna rub off like the top layer. I'm also gonna apply like some mascara. Not that I need to, but I'm getting my lips done today. I don't even think I mentioned that. I'm getting my lips tattooed today, so I kind of want my eyes to look like a little bit more like bold, if that makes sense, because I know my lips are gonna look crazy even though I'm wearing a mask, but I don't know, it'll just make me feel a little bit better. I live in Melbourne, if you didn't know that already, and it is mandatory to wear masks here. We've had 20 donut days, which means like 20 days with no new cases, no active cases, nothing like that. We have just been demoted from most livable city in the world. Yeah, I think it's Adelaide now, which is crazy because Adelaide's like got the most cases in Australia. They just had a huge outbreak. So yeah, hopefully the border's shut and they cannot get in, because everyone else shut their borders to Victoria and didn't let us in, which it's not like majority of us wanted to go out of Victoria anyway, but now like, you know, their governments are like, oh, please open your borders, let us in. It's like, no. Yeah, I'm not a politician or anything like that, so don't listen to me. I've had my Oxy Shred. I've had it every day for the past week. I have the raspberry one, like the limited edition one. It's pretty good. When I first drank it, it was really, really sweet and like sour, and I hated it. But now that I've had it a couple times, I like it a little bit more. But yeah, I'm a little bit jittery because I'm a little bit nervous about getting my lips done, but I also really need to pee. So yeah, let's go catch this train, which I hate public transport, but yeah, let's go. Just got like a salad. It's way too hot to eat like hot food. An hour before my appointment, I just got here really early, and I wanted to be able to eat because I don't think I'll be able to eat after getting my lips done. I didn't really think about that. I love food, as you can tell. I'm like chunky as. To fill in time, and I went shopping and I spent like $100 more than I should have spent, but I'm literally on my way. I'm walking there now. So I've just finished having my lips done and I feel like I cannot talk because they're pretty swollen. So yeah, they're pretty dark. They're like a mauve, however you say it, sort of color. And then obviously they're gonna like lighten up like 60% or something like that, she said. It's pretty much like when you get your eyebrows done, they come out really dark, and for the first few weeks they're really dark. It didn't really hurt to get it done. She did put numbing cream on, and she did keep asking me like, you know, are you okay, does it hurt? When it did start to hurt, she did just reapply the numbing cream, which was good. Would like 100% recommend her. She made me feel like really comfortable, and like she definitely knew like what she was talking about. She definitely had like a lot of experience. I paid for it all myself, didn't get a discount or anything like that, so all these opinions are my own. I actually feel like I cannot move my mouth, and I don't really want to move it that much. So she decided to put on Bepanthen, which, you know, I'm just getting tattoos left, right and center here, so I already have some gross Bepanthen in this bag. I'm about to go out for dinner with my sister. She did say I could eat, I just needed to clean it afterwards. She said clean it with saline solution and then reapply like the Bepanthen. When I put the face mask on, because this was like my number one thing, I was like, shit, I have work tomorrow. When I put the face mask on, so this is like what a face mask looks like, I put it on and then I twist the straps and I pull it. Do you see how it like kind of sticks out but it's still covering like my whole face? That's what I do. It looks a little bit silly like a duck bill, but at least it's like not touching the mask. And then I will have to like change my mask like every 2 hours at work, which is totally fine, just so it's like clean, so like I'm not breathing in like the same air and stuff. And I will clean it like when I'm at work. I'm so excited to see like what it's gonna look like in a few weeks. She said it takes a week to heal, so it's very exciting. It's just rude. So I tried to do like a cute little like time lapse this morning of my makeup, and then my alarm went off like right as I was like setting my face with like setting spray, and I was like, fuck, I've got to go. And if my makeup looks patchy around here, it's because I wear a mask, so I only put it like on the sides. So this is what my lips look like today. You can see like I've got like no foundation here. They look pretty good. I definitely think they were darker yesterday, so they definitely are like fading really fast. They're not really like sore, especially since yesterday like I ate and then I went shopping and didn't re-Bepanthen until like an hour or so later when I got like back in the car. I did have like sweat dripping like from my top lip onto my like mouth, which that hurt. Obviously like if something is gonna sweat onto like a an open wound, it's gonna hurt. I'm wearing bike shorts at work, and if you're a bigger girl, you know that like wearing anything that shows your body type, you kind of get a little bit nervous about. Even though like, you know, I've been like this for like a year now, so I'm, you know, I'm comfortable. And the place where I work is really like good. Like, you know, they accept all body types, all nationalities, all sexualities, all that kind of stuff, which is really good. Just for privacy, I'm not going to say like where I work, but it's pretty obvious where I work. It's not like that I feel like I'm going to be judged by that. It's more like, I don't know, I've always like grown up and like been like told like, you know, dress appropriately, and then sometimes when I dress a little bit different, I'm like, oh, is it appropriate? So I am just about to go into work again. Saturday today, and it's so busy here. I work obviously like at a shopping center. It's pretty obvious where I work. I work at a shopping center. I really like my makeup today. I used a bunch of cream and liquid products, and then I used this like Morphe like eyeshadow. What is that? Morphe eyeshadow for like my like eyeliner like shadow thing, just because I didn't have like enough time. I was like rushing like really fast. This is my lips like close up. So I'm on day 3, and she said day 3 they're going to start peeling, and I don't know if you can see, but they're like a little bit dry, so I've got to put more bepanthen on like when I get to work. But yeah, they're definitely going to start peeling like tonight or tomorrow. But I did think I would end the vlog here. Next vlog I'm getting like my eyebrows tattooed and some other stuff I can't remember. But yeah, anyway, I'll vlog a little bit next week. After that my life's pretty boring. This is like the only like few weeks that were actually kind of interesting, if they were. But I hope you guys are having a really wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.